Hello friend, welcome back. This is Golden Sun, and in this video, let's try another challenge in HackerRank for C. Okay, this one playing with characters. So hopefully you already right give a try on your own. So then we can compare our um, maybe another different idea, right? So read the text carefully. At the beginning, as a beginner, we don't need to understand everything, but um, try to ask questions, okay? And try to search the answer and find out the answer, um, and play with it to get our familiarity with this problem and solution. So objective, so we can learn some basics syntax by the tutorial text here. So here is like defining, right? We define a character, that's a single byte data character named ch, and then scanf. So yeah, here this is the format string. %c means a character. So we'll get the data in the form of a character and put it inside the address of ch. The address of ch. Okay? So what does that mean? It means right, the memory in the computer represented by this name. Okay, ch. After that, we can print out, right, the the character using the same format string %c. Okay, so we don't need the percent ampersand sign here. Okay, yeah, read that carefully, and the task is you have to print out the character ch in the first line, then print s in the next line, another string, and a sentence. Okay, it sounds complicated. Yeah, let's see the simple input. One character, a word, or yeah, a string. Then here is like a sentence is separated by space. Okay, so now let's try one by one. One by one, I mean let's handle this guy first. Okay, so a character we can do, right? So before you watch the video, right, before you continue, try it on your own. Yeah, we learn coding not just by reading or watching. We learn coding by coding. Okay, so we define the character just like the sample code here. Ch, okay, sure, that's a good name. And we can scan. Oh, autocomplete, nice. %c means a character in the so we'll scan in a character, right, and put it inside the address of that. Yeah, now we can print out the same thing. This guy will print out that, right? We can run it to see whatever the first input is. Yeah, the first input is c. We have that. Cool. Of course we failed because we haven't finished yet. Now let's try the second one. Is there a sample code there? No. For a string, unfortunately. Oh, is it here? Not really. So here is where I can help, right? A string in C is just an array of characters. Why did I put the 100 here? Because there's a statement in the requirement. You see here, constraints, strings for S and the sentence, SEN, will have fewer than 100 characters, including the new line. Okay, so we can do that. Fewer than, yeah. So it fewer than 100, it means that at maximum it can be 99 characters. So this is safe. So now we can scan. So this time we use that. S, %S means a string. Okay, so do we need to do that? We can. Yeah, let's try that. There's a warning here because we don't need that, but it's also okay, I think. Print %S and string, like that. Let's give this a try, and after that we'll remove the ampersand. Oh, we need a line break between the C and the language, right? C and the language. Let's check the expected output, right? C, line break, and okay, so that's easy. We only need to put the line break right here, or here, right? Just different way, right, to play with that. Okay, run it. This doesn't work. Oh, sorry, wrong place. Here. That's the output. Yeah, this is the output. Okay, yeah, now it's good. C, right, line break and language. Okay, so now let's remove this one, because str is already a pointer pointing to the first character of this array, so this is best. This is already an address, it's a pointer. Okay, so now run it, we'll get the same thing. Yeah, C, language. Now let's handle the last one. Okay, the last one will still define a string, which is an array of characters. Sentence, that's a good name, and we are guaranteed that the sentence won't be longer than 99 characters. So scan F. Wow, this will have a very complicated scaling, right? Format string. Now we'll put the sentence here. Let's try this first, right? What if we just put a simple string right here? It should be okay, right? Why not? Now print F. That's the sentence. Okay, sentence. Let's see what's wrong with that. Okay, we need a line break after this guy. We need the right output a line break here, so we can put it here, right, or here. Let's keep it consistent, so line break. Now let's try run code. Okay, you see our stuff. We don't have the full sentence here because it was cut at the first occurrence of the space. It stopped there. That's why we need something like that. So read that this. Now we can read this paragraph carefully. Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah, there's an explanation about the C string here. Okay, I thought that there wasn't here. Okay, now let's go back to this one, scanf. So I mentioned this simply in one of the previous videos. So now let's do it again. So there are two parts of here. The first one is like from the beginning to the end of the input line, right? Something like that. And the second part is star will ignore. You see here, star indicates that this new line character is discarded. Yeah, discarded. Okay. So C means a character. Okay. So we'll ignore one character at the end. Now, so let's put it here. So this is not enough. We'll do %. This one and that one means the end of the line. Actually, we don't need this. Let's try this first, okay? Oh. Okay, I was wrong. Let's put it in here. Maybe I made a mistake for... Oh, I see. We need there's a line break. There's a line break character we have to ignore. So how can we do that? Yeah, it was mentioned. Yeah, we need to put this one between the two scan, the second scan and the third scan. So let's put another scan here to get rid of this guy. Now try it again. It works. It works. Now let's go back to remove this one, because this is the last input character, right? A line break. So it won't affect, I believe. Let's try it. So the good things for programming is we can always try it. Yeah, you see? That is not important. So based on our understanding of the %* C, could we use that to ignore this guy, right? The input, line break input after this one, right? After this string. So let's try this one. So we ignore this guy. It means we'll do the same thing like that one, right? So we'll ignore one character line break at the end of this input, so it won't affect the following input. Okay, let's try it. Yeah, it works. So, right, there are different ways to do it. Now submit the code. This time we have 3 test cases, all passed. 3 test cases provided by the platform. this one is locked. If you want to unlock, you will use the hackles, I guess. What is hackles? Let's see. Yeah, hackles is it's like the currency in this on this platform. So I have 421 hackles. If you, for example, right, it failed here, it will show in red, and you want to check what's wrong, then you can unlock that by using maybe 5 hackles. Okay, to unlock that. We don't need to do that because we already passed. Our understanding of the problem should be good. Thank you for watching. See you next time.